I remember years ago, I was laying in the bed, and I was asleep, and someone, and I could tell it wasn't an evil entity. I felt very comfortable, but someone whispered in my ear, and they said, 3, 3, 3. They felt very comfortable. It was, you could tell it was from the heavens, from God. And I woke up, and nobody was in the room with me. And I realized that I had just heard from the Lord. God speaks to us in dreams. He speaks to us audibly. He speaks to us through his angels. Someone from God's heaven whispered in my ear. And I turned to Jeremiah 33:3 because God had already told me to read it. And when I read it, it answered a lot of the questions that I'd been asking God. Call unto me, and I will answer thee, and show thee great and mighty things which thou knowest not. And my rabbi friend told me, and he said that Jeremiah 33:3 is God's phone number.